Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install Zoom Workplace on a Windows computer in 2026. First, open your Downloads folder and locate the zoominstaller.exe file that you downloaded from the official Zoom website. Double-click the Zoom installer file to start the installation process. If a Windows permission message appears, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your computer. The installer will now begin setting up Zoom Workplace automatically. You do not need to select any complicated settings, just wait for the installation to complete. Keep your internet connection active during the installation because Zoom may download additional files required for the setup. After a few moments, the installation will finish and Zoom Workplace will open automatically on your computer. You will now see the Zoom Workplace welcome screen. This means the installation was successful. You can close the installer window if it is still open. To make Zoom easier to access, click the Start menu, search for Zoom Workplace, and open it from the search results. You can also pin Zoom Workplace to the Start menu or the taskbar for quick access in the future. If Zoom does not open automatically, restart your computer and launch Zoom Workplace again from the Start menu. That's it. You have successfully installed Zoom Workplace on your Windows PC in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.